my lovely students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. In today's class, we'll talk about the face value and place value of a number, or how we can find out the place value or face value of a number or any digit of the given number, right? So face value, basically value of your face. Means if somebody see you, then they the particular person call you by your name. The same way, if we will see 5, it will remain same, or the face value of 5 will remain same as 5. 6, the value of 6 of place value of place value na face value of 6, it will remain same as 6. Means it does not depends on the position of the number, right? It does not depends on the position of the number. It will remain always same, right? Suppose I am giving you one example. Suppose one number is 369, right? So the value of 3 or the face value of 3, it will remain 3. The face value of 6, it will remain 6. Or the face value of 9, it will remain same as 9. So the value of that particular number, it remains same in case of face value. Means face of the number, right? So it will remain same. So I hope all of you understanding up to this portion. Now we'll talk about the place value. Place value basically it varies. It depends on the position of the number. The previous one, that is the face value, it does not depends on the position of the number. But here in case of place value, always the particular digits place value, it depends on the position, at what position they are acquired. So it depends on the position of the number, or you can say of the digit, of that particular digit, right? Let's take one example. Suppose a number is 5, 4, 3. Okay. So here I am telling you to find out the place value of 5. So 5, it remains at what position? See, it 1's place, 10's place, and it's at the 100 place. So 5 is at the 100 place. So 5 should be multiplied with 100, will get 500, and that is your answer, right? So 500 is the place value of 5. Now I'll talk about the 4. What is the place value of 4 over here? 4 is at which position? It's at the 10's position. So 4 should be multiplied with 10, will get 40, and 40 is our answer. 40 is the place value of 4. And in case of 3, 3 is at the 1's place. Through 3, it will remain 3. Why? Because 3 is the 1 place. 1's means we have to multiply 3 with 1 to get 3, right? So I hope all of you understood up to this portion, that how we can find out the place value of a given number or any of the digit of the given number. One thing you need to remember, that how we can find out the place value of a digit. So digit into the position of the number. Position of the number. Right? Always remember this. Always remember this one. to find out the place value of a given digit, right? Now I'll take another example. Suppose 272. Okay. I have asked you to find out the place value of 7. So let me know 7 is at the which position? 7 is at the tens position. Ones, tens, 100. So 7 is at the tens position. So what I have written here, or the simplest formula you can use, the digit, that is 7, multiply with the position of the number. At what position it occurs is at the tens position. So 7 into 10 means 70. That will be your answer. Means 70 is the place value of 7, right? Now we'll do the place value and place value together. That will help us, or you can say that will clear our knowledge properly. So suppose one number is 597. Okay, and I have asked you to find out each of the digits face value and place value. So first face value and then the place value. So first take 7. So face value, it does not depends on the position, it remains same, right? The face of that number or the face value of that number means the same digit. So 7 will be our answer. Now in case of 7, what will be the place value? Place value is depends on the position of the number. So 7 means the digit multiplied with is at the ones position. So multiplied with 1 means 7. Right? Now take the second digit, that is 9. The face value will always remain same. It does not depends on the position of the number, so or the digit. So the 9 will be remain same, and that is our answer. Now in case of place value, it depends on the position. Place value is depends on the position. 9 multiplied with is at the which place? At the tens place. So we have to multiply 10 with it to find the place value of this number or this digit. Now 5, place value of 5, same, that is 5. In case of place value, 5 is at the which position? Is at the 100 position. So multiply with 100 means 500 will be your answer. So here the differences between face value and place value, the 7 it will remain same. Why? Because it's at the ones position. So face value and place value it will remain same. 9 is at the tens position. So the face value it will remain same. The same digit we need to write always with the face value to find out the face value. So 9, and the place value is at the which position? Is at the tens position. So 9 should be multiplied with 10 to get the answer, that is 90. Now 5 is at the 100 position, but it does not depends, means the face value does not depends on the position. So that's why it's remain at the same 5, but place value it depends on the position. 5 is at the which place? 5 is at the 100 place. So 5 should be multiplied with 100 to get that answer, that is 500. I hope all of you understood up to this portion, right? But one thing you need to remember always, or you can note that, always keep this in your mind, that the place value of 0 is always remains same, or remains same, or you can say same as 0, right? Right? Why? Now let me explain. Suppose a number is 20 017, right? So 0 is at the which position? We are trying to find out the place value of 0 over here. 0 is at the which place? At the 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. So what we have already taught here, that the digit, that is 0, should be multiplied with the position of the number. As which position is the 0 is at the 100 position. So multiplied with the 100. But it will give the result of 0. Why? Because if we are multiplying 0 with any other numbers, we are getting or we get the same answer as 0, right? So always keep it in mind that place value of 0 is always remain same, that is 0. Our next class will discuss about some questions or some story sums from this chapter, place value and face value, right? So that is for today. See you in the next class, students. Bye. Hope all of you enjoyed today's class. Bye.